Today we're unboxing and testing the NightCrystal M5 Night Vision Scope, a super versatile piece of gear that works as both a digital night vision monocular and a rifle scope. If you're into night hunting, wildlife observation, or just want to upgrade your tactical gear, this all-in-one infrared scope might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's check out what's in the box. Inside, we've got the M5 main unit, an adjustable diopter lens, a silicone eye protector, a USB-C charging cable, an Allen key screwdriver. It looks solid and feels rugged, definitely made for the outdoors. Getting set up. First, screw the eyepiece onto the main body. It fits snugly and gives you a steady, comfortable viewing experience. Battery setup. Before powering it on, open the battery cap and remove the little insulation film. That's there to prevent battery drain during shipping. Powering on, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. You'll find all the key controls, power, IR, photo, and video, right on the panel. Mounting the scope. The M5 comes with a built-in Picatinny rail mount. Use the included hex key to loosen the screws, mount it on your 21 Picatinny rail, and tighten it down. Simple and secure. For 11 Picatinny rails, you have to buy a converter to shift it to 21. Ports and layout. The IR flashlight is on top. The buttons are on the left, and on the right side you've got your microSD card slot and USB-C charging port. Bonus, both sides include extra Picatinny rails, perfect for attaching accessories like a rangefinder or tactical flashlight. You can even connect a power bank via USB-C for extended use in the field. Operation buttons. Let's break down the 5 main buttons on the M5. Once you know what each does, using the scope becomes second nature. Power and up button. Hold it down to power the device on or off. Just a quick tap moves your selection up in the menu. Video and photo button. Hold to start or stop video recording or tap it to take a quick photo. In the menu, it also works as your left arrow to move across settings. Menu and OK button. Press and hold to open the settings menu, then tap once to confirm any selections, just like hitting OK. IR level and zoom button. Hold it to cycle through the 3 IR levels, low, medium, and high. Tap it to switch between digital zoom levels, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. In the menu, it also acts as the right arrow. IR and down button. Hold to turn the IR torch on or off and tap to move down through the menu options. Menu overview. The menu is super straightforward. You can adjust contrast. Lower levels are great for night. Choose from 11 languages. Turn crosshairs on or off and adjust their position. Enable loop recording. Turn the mic on or off. Playback videos and photos you shoot. Set date and time. Set a screensaver time or disable it. Adjust screen brightness, level 1 to level 6. Enable auto power off. Format the SD card, reset the system. How to focus. Alright, let's talk about how to get a clear, sharp image with your NightCrystal M5. Super important, especially if you're switching between targets at different distances. First, take a second to rotate the diopter lens, which is right at the eyepiece. This helps you bring the on-screen text and menus into focus, great for making sure everything looks clear on the display. Then use the focusing wheel on the front objective lens. Slowly turn it while looking through the scope until your target comes into crisp, clear focus. If it looks a bit blurry or soft, just keep adjusting until everything pops. Once both are dialed in, you're good to go with a clean, sharp view, whether it's day or night. Daytime use. Before we test the night vision, let's look at some daytime footage. As you can see, the M5 captures full-color, high-def video, perfect for scouting or target spotting during the day. Night vision test. Now for the cool part, night mode. Hold the IR button for about 3 seconds to switch on the infrared light. Suddenly, what was pitch black becomes visible, and yep, there's a prey on the move. On-screen icon guide. 1080p means full HD recording is active. MicroSD icon shows your memory card is inserted. 1x indicates current zoom level. IR3 shows IR flashlight power. No IR icon means you're in daytime mode. Mic icon means audio is recording. Battery icon shows remaining charge, crosshair not aligned. Want the best view at night? Let's dial in that IR flashlight. Hold the IR level /zoom button to switch between IR1, IR2, and IR3. IR1 turns on night vision mode but keeps the flashlight off, perfect if you're using an external IR and want to save battery. IR2 and IR3 crank up the built-in IR brightness for mid to long-range viewing. You can also slide the flashlight head in or out to change the beam size. Pull it out to narrow the beam and reach farther, or push it in to spread the light out for nearby targets. It's quick, easy, and makes a big difference in how far and how clearly you can see at night. Crosshair not aligned? No problem. Go into the menu, select Crosshair Adjustment, and use the directional buttons to move it where you want. Press OK to confirm. Zooming tip. The zoom centers around the crosshair, not just the screen, so your aim stays accurate at any zoom level. If the crosshair still looks off-center, you can fine-tune it by sliding a thin shim, like a piece of soda can, between the mount and the rail. Specs recap. The M5 features a 3MP CMOS sensor, 1080p Full HD video, and razor-sharp still photos, even in complete darkness. With a 50mm large objective lens, 4x optical zoom, and 5x digital zoom, you can easily track distant targets day or night. And with your choice of 850 nm or 940 nm IR illuminator, you get visibility up to 200 yards at night and over 500 yards during the day. Final thoughts? So to wrap it up, the NightCrystal M5 is more than just a night vision scope. It's a powerful, all-in-one tool for hunters, outdoor explorers, and nighttime security. It's compact, tough, records video, and works in any lighting condition. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Want to grab your own M5 night vision scope? Check out our official website at nightcrystal.com or just click the link in the top comment below. Thanks for watching,